Hey guys, it's Thingy. I'm back in 2022 with a new video. So today I'm going to show you how I did this beautiful style using the Marley Kinky Braids by Darling Hair. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get to the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle my hair with water for the moisture, and as you can see guys, I've already crocheted the back, and now I'm going to show you how I did the front. So now I'm just going to moisturize my hair with the shea fertilizer and my herbal oil. Now that I've did my beautiful cornrows, it's time for me to crochet the kinky braids. So I'm using the Darling Hair Marley kinky braids and the crochet needle to crochet the braids onto my hair. Okay, looks like I'm done. So the last thing to do is, obviously I have to do my edges because I cannot be rocking this beautiful style with undone edges. I'm using the style gels. It's very good. I love it. You should try it too. This style looks better with the edges, my edges done, and it took me about 2 hours to do this beautiful style. You can rock it at school, at work, anywhere you want it. It looks like my natural hair, but it's actually not. So I really love this style, and I hope you did too. And if you love this style, please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.